dance time, y'all. Here we go now. Yup. Woo! Redbird. Freedom Redbird. Big Dreams Tiny Budget over there. Boots and Bounties. Emma. Logan. And Steven. They got the moves going on tonight.
Matt, I think that means he wants no.
Woo!
Great move.
Get it! Yeah! Southern Blessed Homestead and Flash getting down on the dance floor. Woo!
He's gonna claim that he hurt his knee and he can't.
And he can't, oh, I can't do the luggage cart race now because I damaged my knee. That's a hillbilly shuffle, Mac.
That's a hillbilly crawl.
Oh.
Now he's trying to throw his hip out.
You're doing the luggage cart race. Woo! So, Mac, can you reenact your collision?
Well, I'll tell you what it was. Coming around from turn 2. I doing about 180. Front right tire got to wobbling a little bit. And I think it just came right off. Came right off. And you smack that wall, did a couple flips. I'm okay. Get that safety stuff in there. I'm okay.
We're glad you're okay, Mac.
You make me look.
Leotard Cowboy Skinner Farm. There he is. Come on. You're late. Simply Jan Homestead. So today I have been clearing a path for Toby because there's those sticker bushes. They have big stickers on them. Can you see them? And he was tripping over them in this pathway. So we fixed some of the electrical wire, which is not connected because it was hanging down. I didn't want Toby getting stuck in that. And I'm just hanging out. Gonna give Toby some fresh water and fill up his bowl, because sometimes he likes to have water over here too, even though he goes to the pond most of the time. Got his minerals, and minerals they eat at free will as they need them. He's only eaten out of there one time. And then his bowl, he's already eaten his sweet feed. And so I'm going to get his water filled. Okay, so my brown farm life gave me an idea, and I bought this feeder for Toby so he doesn't have to bend down. He's just getting used to it. He wasn't sure about it, but it's perfect because it hangs right on the fence. What do you think about that, Toby, man? And then I got Toby some brushes. So I got him brushes so we can get the stickers off of him, because his mane is loaded with stickers, y'all. Oh, I love my boy. He's such a good boy. Brutus, he's just being a pain in the butt, though. Go away, Brutus. Leave Toby alone. Leave Toby alone. Yeah, get that itch. Alright, y'all, I just had to show you that. Okay, took some doing, but Toby's letting me brush him. He wasn't sure about this thing, but he's like, yeah, pretty much like that. Okay, that feels good. Yeah. Of course, he's a little preoccupied right now. I had to do the switch, one hand brush to the other hand, so he didn't see it, because he was like, no, no. This feeder is perfect, though. Just perfect. Huh, Toby? He's digging it. He was a little hesitant at first, which that's good. But now he's like, okay, this is cool. So I'm going to try the other brush and see if I can get some of these stickers out of his mane. We'll see what he does with that. So he's got a bunch of them right there, y'all. From bending down in the pasture. Yeah, that's doing a way better job. Just pulling them out gently. Good boy, Toby. Such a good boy. Mama loves you. Yeah. Yeah. I wouldn't want stickers all in my hair. That'd get annoying. He's got them in his ears, too. So, it's good. Yay! Yay, Toby! Good job! Handsome. All the stickers out. Oh, there's one. There's one flying. I think Toby's digging this. He's like, yeah, that feels good right there. Okay, can you get over there? Oh, it's a good boy, Toby. You're so handsome. When Mama gets in with you later, I'll brush all your hair. Yeah, I brush it all your fur. Such a handsome boy. And you know what, y'all? He's gonna go right out in the pasture and get filled with stickers all over again. Oh, you want him more? Okay, okay. Yeah, that's what he's gonna do, but that's okay. I got them all out of his ears. Look at those beautiful ears, y'all. Aren't his colors just stunning? I love it. They're so handsome. You're so handsome. Yeah. He really likes his cheeks scratched. And right here, that's his favorite spots. Both sides, of course. Yeah. Yes, you just wait. Here, let Mama get the camera. I'm making everyone dizzy. I gotta get it straight. What a good boy. And he ate all his sweet feed. So this is gonna work out perfectly, huh, Toby? You like that way better. Yeah. It's okay to spoil you. Mama's gonna spoil you. Because you're gonna be the protector of our giraffes. We gotta take good care of the boy. That's right. Alright, yeah, that's all I have on my Toby cam. Say goodbye. Go ahead and bray. Go ahead and bray. Yeah. You want more? He wants more. Okay, see y'all later.